How to create LinkedIn QR code. Hey everyone, today our topic is all about how you can create a LinkedIn QR code. So first, type in a search bar, linkedin.com. Make sure you have your own account before we proceed. While you are in a feed on LinkedIn, click your profile on the upper part of your screen beside the notification tab. While you are in the profile tab, click profile or view profile. While you are in a profile, copy the link in the search bar and then go to the new tab and type qrgenerator.org. While you are on a site, click LinkedIn below Facebook, paste your URL, and as you can see, it's up to you if you want to make your own design to create a LinkedIn QR code. Like if you click the Colors tab, Design tab, Logo tab, Frame tab, and Options tab. After you customize your QR code in LinkedIn, click Save, and as you can see, you can choose what type of file you want to save, like PNG, SVG, or PDF. Choose one and click Save, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.